Hey, this is Kurt, the boat doctor. Found out what was wrong with the main motor. It blew ignition fuse. So we got to figure out, let me see, yeah, ignition coil fuse. Fuel injectors, camshaft timing, all that good stuff. It's a 30 amp fuse. Got to see why it blew that. I'm going to run it back to the dock and then restart it just to see if it keeps blowing it. If not, it could just been when they were hooking it up, because it was running really good, and then when I shut it off, ran the kicker, it stopped. So I can get this back up on the trailer without that, or I can sub a fuse to get it back up. See what happens. Anyway, this thing's a rocket. Get ready to hang on. Boom, right up on top. See, it hits that rev limit right there, so it definitely needs to be repropped. So anyway, she runs dynamite. She's a goer. So I'm gonna maybe leave it idling and see if it's on that initial startup. There was a hair. I got the fuel to go through. So other than that, it's a damn nice boat. Trim tabs work. Just hit this button. All down. There they go. Now you can feel it all up. Steer with these too. All right, other than that, I think she runs good. Real snappy. I love it.